Hello, good morning children. Here the exercise 1.3. I am going to explain first question. The question is that by what rational number should 11 upon 7 be divided so as to get the quotient as 30 minus 33 upon 24. Minus 33 upon 24. So, question number 1, let the rational number x, beta, that x rational number is divisor. That is divisor. What is that? Divisor. Divisor you know na, जिससे divide करना है. Here, dividend is already given. That is 11 upon 7. Quotient also given, that is minus 33 upon 24. Clear? What we will do here, substitute as the equation first. क्या होता है equation? Dividend divided by divisor equals to quotient. Beta, substitute the value same as it is. Dividend is here 11 upon 7. Divisor we don't know, x is equals to minus 33 upon 4. Oh sorry, 24. 33 upon 24. What we will do, we will shift x there and take this value this side. So 11 upon 7, while this value come here, so it will be, divide, minus will convert into plus, 33 upon 24 equals to x. Okay, what we will do, 11 upon 7 multiply 24 upon 33. The minus sign you can keep as it is. Don't change right now. Sorry. Okay. So here 11 ones are. This minus sign down right now. That is 3 here. Okay. This again divide this 3 by this 24. 3 ones are or 3 eights are 24. Answer will be 8 upon minus 3. Student, minus, denominator is in minus sign. We know very well we have to convert into numerator, that is numerator will be minus, denominator never minus. So what we will do, convert into standard form, multiply by minus 1, multiply by minus 1. So the answer will be minus 8 upon minus plus, so 3. That is your answer 1. Okay, that is the solution. Now, question number 2. The product of two rational numbers. What is the meaning of product? Product means multiply. Product means multiply. The product of two rational number is 15. If one of them is minus 25 upon 13. If one of number is minus 25 upon 13, find the other number. Okay. Right, first of all, product will be 15. Okay, one rational number will be minus 25 upon 30. Okay, one we have to find out. Let the one number, let the another number x. Beta, product is written. So what is the equation we will write? A multiplied by B equals to product. Okay, the first rational number I wrote here, that is minus 25 upon 13. B we don't know. Product is given as 15 here. Okay, so what we will do here, this 15 is here, B you can keep as it is. These two values take down this 25 down, 13 up, b as it is 15 multiply by 13 upon this minus 25 here. It is divisible by 5, 5 3s are 5, 5s are. Now what we will do here, just multiply 13 3s are 39 upon minus 5. Again case here, minus, denominator is in minus, so shall we convert into positive? So we have to convert into standard number, that is minus 1 upon minus 1. When you multiply, the minus 39 upside or 5 will be here. That is your answer of question number 2. Now question number 3. Find the rational number that should be added to minus 3 upon 8 to get 5 upon 16. Again here, better understand the question. First question divide is here, so I follow the divide step. In second question, there is product. Product means multiply, so I make the equation of multiply. Now here, the equation of added. The equation of added. So let the one number, let one number x, another number should be added is given, should be added, x should be added to minus 3 upon 8. Okay, or to get, that is 5 upon 16. Okay, so students, what we will do, we have to write equation. Equation means x plus minus 3 upon 8 equals to 5 upon 16. x number में हमको ये number add करना था, that we will get 5 upon 16. So student, kindly convert this sign is here, x, this plus minus minus 3 upon 8 equals to 5 upon 16. We know student, this is from the another term, variable term, these are the numerical term. इस तरीके से समझो, they are Kumawat, they are the Sharma family. So Kumawat are joining together and remove the Sharma here. ये दोनों एक अपनी पार्टी बना लेते हैं friends और हमको बाहर निकाल देते हैं. Okay, so x you can keep here 5 upon 16. Now he will say when you will just come here to me, मुझे कट शॉट नहीं चाहिए, ज्वाइन होने आना. ज्वाइन होने means the minus will be converted into plus, so 3 upon 8 will be here. Now what we will do, I told you student, if the value is in fraction, plus sign is here, we will take LCM. We will take LCM, so 16 will be there. 16 divided by 16, 1, multiply by 1, so 5 is here. 16 divided by 8, 2 are there, multiply by 2, so plus 3 to the 6, answer will be 11 upon 16. That is the answer number 3rd. Now next question student, question number 4. By what rational number should minus 11 upon 7 be multiplied to get the product 66 upon 35? Okay, now I told you in multiply, so we will keep the equation as a multiply. So right here first, let the question number 4, let the multiplied number x, one value, one number should be given, that is minus 11 upon 7. Okay, product is given, that is we get 66 upon 35. Okay, so a multiplied by x equals to product, or we can say get. Okay, a is here, a minus 11 upon 7, this is your a, this is your get. Okay, multiply by x equals to 66 upon 35. Again students, same multiply is here. We will do cross. This 7 go up, minus 11 we go down. X as it is 66 upon 35. This 7 will be up or minus 11 will be down. Okay, first cut 1 za, 6 za, 7 1 za, 7 5 za 35. Beta, answer is again denominator is coming in minus 5. So what we will do, we have to convert into standard number, that is multiply by minus 1 upon minus 1. So answer is minus 6 upon 5. That is the answer number 4. Now question number 6. Find the side of rhombus whose perimeter is 16 upon 5. That is question number 6. Side of rhombus is x. Okay, what is given here beta? Perimeter. Perimeter equals to is equals to 16 upon 5 centimeter. Beta, rhombus is just like that. It may be something square only. Okay, so in rhombus all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Okay, so can we use the perimeter of rhombus equals to 4 into side. Square and rhombus, the perimeter is same. Okay, so perimeter, why should I use here perimeter formula? Because perimeter is asking. यदि यहाँ एरिया होगा तो मैं एरिया वाला फॉर्मूला लगाऊंगी. यदि यहाँ हमसे पेरीमीटर पूछा गया है, सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर पेरीमीटर एक फॉर्मूला. अब पेरीमीटर इज गिवन ऑलरेडी 16 अपॉन 5 इक्वल्स टू 4. साइड वी अज्यूम x. ओके, सी स्टूडेंट, इन लीनियर इक्वेशन इन लास्ट वी हैव डन, जब मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है तो ये 4 नीचे डिवाइड में चला जाएगा. नथिंग एल्स इज हियर 1, so 1 will go up. So 16 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 4 equals to x. It may be divisible any value. Yes. 4 1 जा, 4 4 जा, 16. Multiply, the answer is 4 upon 5. So the side of the rhombus is 4 upon 5 centimeter. Better keep in unit. Okay. That is the answer of question number 6. Now, question number 7. The length of rectangular frame is 13 upon 2. See beta, rectangular piece है, rectangular frame length. How much? 13 upon 2 centimeter. Okay, better read the situation. It's saying the breadth is 2 centimeter less than the breadth. इसका मतलब ये जो 13 upon 2 है, इससे 2 सेंटीमीटर कम है. क्या कम है? आपकी breadth. So what we will do, breadth equals to 13 upon 2 minus 2. बेटा, what you will do? Simply 13 में से 2 minus 13 में से 2 minus किया and you will write 11 upon 2. But it's not correct because here fraction value minus sign is here, so we will take the LCM first. So 2 will be here. 2 divided by 2, 1. 13 ones are 13. 1 divided by 2, so it will be 2 here. So 2 2s are 4 minus 4. So the answer will be 9 upon 4. 9 upon 2 is here. 9 upon 2 centimeter. That is your breadth. Now question is here. We have to find out area of rectangle and perimeter of rectangle. First I am calculating perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? 2L plus B. Substitute the value here. 2. What is L here? L is 13 upon 2. What is breadth here? 9 upon 2. Student, before also I told you, suppose fraction form is here, plus minus sign is here, so we will take LCM. Denominator is same, so no problem. 2 divided by 2, 1. 13 ones are 13, plus 2 divided by 2, 1. 9 ones are 9. Here 2 outside. Add this 22 upon 2. If you feel comfortable, divide these two value. Otherwise, this 2 or this 2 you cut, then you will get answer 22 upon centimeter. That is your perimeter. That is your perimeter. That is your perimeter of rectangle. Here area is also asking, so I am doing parallelly here. Area of rectangle equals to L multiplied by B. Very easy. It will come in the very short place. So I am trying to solve here only. 13 upon 2 multiplied by 9 upon 2. Simple multiply. So what you will get here? 117 upon 2 2s are 4. Beta, but we know very well area in coming the unit is centimeter square. The area is coming in the unit of 117 upon 4. Hope so it is visible. Centimeter square. Now students, last question. Question number 8. A jute bag can hold 25 kg of rice. See, one bag carries 25 kg. Okay, how many such bags require 2.5 quintal? Beta, first of all we have to convert 2.5 quintal in kgs. इसमें convert करेंगे kgs में, because here the value is given in the kg. Okay, so in 1 quintal equals to 100 kg. So here is 2. So 2 multiplied by 100, it means 200. Okay, half is also there. So half multiplied by 100, so it will be 50. So how much kg? 250 kg total. अब देखो बेटा, अपन को बैग्स पूछे. एक बैग में कितना आ रहा है मेरे पास? 25. और how much quintal we have? 250. So bag we can keep as it is 250 divided by 25. 25 1 25 or this one 10. So means 10 kg. Oh sorry, 10 bags we required. How much we bags required? 10 bags we required. Okay, again I am explaining. Again I am explaining again. Listen. देखो बेटा, एक बैग जो है here the one bag carries 25 kg. Okay, but the value is given in the quintal. So first of all we have to convert quintal in kg. First of all we have to convert quintal in kg. So 2.5 quintal को kg में convert करना है. तो 1 quintal equals to 100 kg. तो 2 quintal कितना हो गया? 200 kg. अपने पास हाफ में भी है. Add these both total kgs. So 200 plus 50 it will be 250 kg. अब वो कह रहा है कि एक बैग में 25 आते हैं. ऐसे कितने बैग चाहिए हमको जिसमें 250 kg है? आप इसको एक तरीके से और कर सकते हो. जैसे आप यहाँ बैग रखोगे, यहाँ आपने क्विंटल रखा, एक बैग में क्वांटिटी रखा, एक बैग में 25 kg आता है. ठीक है, एक बैग में 25 kg आता है. तो हाउ मच बैग कैरी 250? हाउ मच बैग कैरी 250? तो आप इसको कैसे निकालोगे? 1 बैग इक्वल्स टू 1/25, देन 25 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 250. So 25 ones are or 10 ja. By unitary method also we will calculate, but this one is easy. So how much bags will be there? 10 kg bags is here. Okay, if you have doubt, make them clear again, ask me again. Okay, thank you, God bless you all.